Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in the hour of Escape Estate, and in the last video we completed this room with the crate minion, and now we're gonna go through the door, or the portal. Okay, loading. So we said bye to the crate minion. Let's see where we're gonna go. Where are we?
We're like in a library, a bedroom.
Ooh, it's the diary pages. Let's go. Let's see.
Entry number 10, the drawing room. Dear Diary, my travels have found me in a small sitting room. It is warm and inviting. It feels like I could just stay here forever. No, I must press on. Strange things are afoot here and I'm pretty sure I'm not alone.
It's creepy. Okay, let's search the room for particles and click the button. Okay. Ooh.
So now I think we need to turn all the lamps off. The redstone lamps.
Let's see the instructions. You need to open the door by powering all of the lamps. Each light you turn on will open the door just a little more. Use the move cursor function to position the cursor over a light, then use turn light on. So we're just gonna have to turn on all these lights. Okay, let's see. So let's see the code first, the example. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So here we only need to move the cursor yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we
7
need
times. But we can make this simpler by using this repeat loop as shown there.
Okay, so we just need this, and then we're gonna add turn light on function, and then we just have to repeat it 7 times, I think. 7.
Then remember to add the tab.
Okay, so let's run it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you open the door.
Now we're in another room.
Okay, so search room for particles again. Oh, seems like we have to fill these holes. Let's see. Laser reveal. Fill in all the holes in the floor with the cursor to open the curtain. And then use the functions move cursor and place blocks. So this is kind of different from the other one, but we still use the same functions. Okay. So we could just use orange. So first place block, and then use orange 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, so 4 times, so we have to do it one more time, or we can use a repeat loop. Okay, so we're gonna just use a repeat loop right now. Without the place block, just for the move cursor orange.
4.
Yeah, 4 times. Just with the, oops, without the place block. We're gonna have to place the block first, before the loop. So before that, we're gonna have to place the block. And then after that, we have to place a block too. Okay, so let's see. Oop. Oh, forgot the colons. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we got the first 2 done. Then we had to move yellow 4 times too. So then we're gonna for iron range 4 again. Move cursor yellow. Oh, we forgot to place block. We'll just add that later. After that, we have to move magenta 4 down too. So first place block, and then we're gonna for iron range again magenta. So we move down. Move cursor magenta, and then place block. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, and then we have to move blue 2 times, and then orange 2 times. So blue 2 times. You can use the repeat loop or not. It's your choice, and it's the same, so it doesn't really matter. And then 2 times orange.
Then we're gonna place a block.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Puzzle solved. The curtains lifted up. Wow.
It's
And
like
then
a
what's this?
museum.
It's an art room. You can't jump in. Okay, let's see. What we have to do. Laser puzzle again. Solid blocks stop the laser. Shift a row of green blocks to make the laser pass through the glass blocks to turn on the light on the other side. Use the shift row function to do it. So we're just gonna have to use green right now, and then right or left. So let's see. Just make that laser right now.
So you have to know where the lasers are.
Okay, so
Center.
so that works. But then we have to do this too. So the code example actually helped us if solve the first one. But now we have to do these 3 and the yellow. So we could just move the green left 1 time. And then, yeah, so first green left. So we're just gonna do 1 of this. And then let's see. So we're just gonna do 1 of that, so it works. And the yellow 1 time. Okay, that works, I guess. Okay. Oh, there's even red now. So move green 1 time. Let's see. So let's see what this does first. So green left, and the yellow, red. Oh, so let's see. How do we have to move this one? What do you think?
Play it again.
Okay. So the yellow and green works, but the red doesn't work. So the green work, the yellow work, but the red doesn't work. Okay, so let's see how it is in first.
You need to move 2.
Move 2?
2 to the left.
To the left? Or wait, it's 1 to the left, right? We'll try that. We'll try 1 left.
Why did you delete that?
Because we just need to move it 1 time since it's only 1 block. Right? But let me see.
You add a left after the code.
Wait. Okay, how would you do it? Okay, oh, add a left after the code. Okay.
Right.
Okay,
2 times.
okay, so let's see.
So you can also use a repeat loop to make that easier.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Andrew is so smart. I am not as smart, sadly. Okay, and we already finished it. So that was all for today. Let's go back to the first room. Okay. So we first went through here, opened the door, went through here, opened the curtains, and then we solved this, the laser. Okay. So in the next video, we're gonna go through the portal. For now, we're just gonna stay here and look at the curtains, I guess. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.